necessarily.
You have reached the voicemail.
Alright, Miss, pay no attention. Mrs. Crooks. Huh?
Really?
What?
What is this? Take that up, please. What is this? What is this?
I mean, it's not on my seat.
What do you mean, of course? What do you mean it's not on your seat?
It's on the passenger seat, which is your seat.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
What do you mean?
What's happening?
Nothing's happening. I'm just giving you a gift.
What are you doing?
I'm on lunch.
What is this for?
I don't know. You wanna put your bag around the back?
Okay. The plate, I don't want the plate lean because I don't want no fish. You had to tell me same I come over here.
When was I supposed to say this?
I don't know. Where you end up back of this?
I parked. It's called a parallel park. Your husband can drive.
What is this?
I don't know what it is, and asking what it is won't allow you to know what it is. I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say either.
Wow, this place.
What is
Why are
this?
people parked there? Oh, here comes the dentist in his crazy machine. I love it. Yes, that fella.
What is this? Oh, Christmas comes so early.
Um,
Christmas wrapping. Everything. What is this for?
I don't know. What is he doing?
Oh, mommy, I wonder. Mommy, I wonder. Me, I should foolishness. Oh, what is this? What are these? What are those? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I tore in it.
Okay. Really like to know what's going on
What?
here.
What?
You see, because I don't own the road, I'm just gonna let them do their thing.
Oh, that vehicle was coming out and the boxer was trying to...
Nope, the
Wow.
vehicle was parked there. Well, it stopped there.
Yeah, and then it was trying to come out. Where we heading?
I'm gonna grab Subway. The thing from yesterday. Well, today's one is tuna, so I wanna get that.
Today's what? Sorry?
Today's
They have different things?
Yeah. So
Oh. Why can't I open this? Oh my gosh! Renouy!
yes.
Where this come from? Listen!
Mhm.
Oh my god! Where did this come from?
I don't know, white girl.
This is so pretty.
Am I gonna go? Yeah, I'm just gonna go this side.
Ooh.
Because who knows? They might see the corona.
Who chose these?
I have no idea.
Where
have
did
no
you
idea.
get this? This is so pretty. I'm gonna cry. Don't cry.
Porsche. Porsche, not Porsche.
Oh, this is so nice.
What happened?
Oh my gosh. Where did you get it?
I purchased it.
Oh my god. I got got it wrapped under?
I got it wrapped today, actually. I collected it today, as a matter of fact.
Wow.
Shipping company apparently had it and did not feel to update me on the fact
So
that they had it.
Jeez.
See, thing here, I say, it's a Scotches outlet.
Yeah.
What? That's not important now.
No.
Where am I going again? Oh, Subway.
Oh.
Forgot for a second where I was going.
Oh my gosh. These are pretty. Oh my god.
Are you gonna show us the video?
Listen, I'm still looking. What? I don't. Why are you recording though?
I just started recording it.
I love it. What is?
It's just a gift from the company that I did it for.
Ooh, y'all giving us 15% off. Okay.
Really? I was gonna throw it away. I didn't see it. So I'm sorry the front didn't come out how I wanted it to.
In terms of center dish.
Yeah, it didn't. But what it is, guys, is a photo book which contains images from our wedding. So yeah, be careful, be very gentle with it.
Mm-hmm. Realize.
Yeah, but it's nice. It's very neat.
Pretty.
I don't know. Let's switch to the.
Oh god.
There we go. Is that any better? There we go.
Yes.
There we go.
It is so pretty. And the photo just continue on here.
Yeah, it wraps around.
So half of my bum
He's gone. But
is
it's at
around
the
here.
back.
This is so pretty. It is so nice. I'm just gonna go give you some random things in here. Ooh, good. This is so nice. I love it. I love it.
You're welcome.
I love it. Guys. This is so nice. And then
It
that
ended with
ends
that.
it.
Yes.
Like, I love it. This is so
Alright, so I'm actually on lunch from
first
work.
thing.
I'm gonna get some Subway. I've never had Subway before, but I came here yesterday, saw their deals of the day, and I'm gonna try today's one. I don't know if we have said it in any previous video, but we are currently on a no meat diet, or we're pretty much vegan.
We're vegans.
Yeah, so, but we consume fish and seafood.
Yeah, that's
So,
what vegans are.
Okay. So yeah,
Vegetarians
no
now
meat.
don't eat.
Yeah.
They don't eat
So yeah, I'm
grass.
gonna grab a Subway
I can't do
sandwich
that.
and see what it's like.
This is
So thank you very much for
nice.
watching.
How looking up in a business?
It wasn't a
though.
planned video or anything. I just I had the phone, so I just decided to do it. But yeah, nice to surprise for the wife. Remember, guys, subscribe to our channel. This is Renouy.
Everybody knows who I am.
She's unique, just in case. I understand her situation right now. But thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace.
Bye.
Say that again? Oh, everything. Subway, eat fresh!